In today's video I'm going to talk about planets and their position in natal chart. What you should know for reading your natal chart by yourself or for someone else. I'm going to explain role of planets in astrology in following video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The planets tie to aspects of our personalities and live. In ancient times, humanity looked up to the stars and noticed that there were patterns that repeated themselves. They studied them and realized that certain movements of the planets created effects on Earth, yet they also realized that these different planets and luminaries also were connected to aspects of one's personality. The best part about turning astrology into the art form that it is what we recognize that the planets are certainly predictive, explaining who someone is and people's astrological compatibility, but also our guide to how life will proceed at any given time. In a sense, the planets and luminaries are characters in the theater of our lives, and the zodiac signs they dance within are like costumes and props. If you want to know more about all 12 zodiac signs, then you should definitely check the video I made. Link will be down below in description. The Sun. When someone asks you what your sign is, whether or not they know it, they're asking about the position of the sun at your moment of birth. The sun symbolizes our fundamental essence. This vibrant celestial body represents our ego, sense of self, basic personality, and general preferences. The sun governs the zodiac sign of Leo, the vivacious, dynamic fire sign that exudes both bravery and theatricality. It takes approximately 1 month to transit, or move across, a zodiac sign. The Moon. The Moon's gravitational pull regulates the climate and oceanic tides. Within astrology, the Moon represents our emotional inner world. While the Sun exposes our outer experience, the Moon symbolizes everything beneath the surface. It represents the spiritual retreat of our most private selves. It governs the zodiac sign of Cancer, the sensitive, protective water sign that defines nurture, comfort, and security. The Moon is the fastest moving celestial body in the sky and takes approximately 2.5 days to transit a zodiac sign. Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet of the solar system. Mercury is named after the Roman deity who served as a messenger to the gods. Within astrology, it symbolizes communication, while the Moon reflects our emotions. This planet reflects logic and rationality. Mercury uses its clever intellect and relentless curiosity to analyze, sort, and classify, helping us synthesize and articulate complex ideas. It governs both air sign Gemini and earth sign Virgo, each representing a different side of Mercury's expression. Chatty Gemini is output, while analytical Virgo is input. Mercury takes 13 or 14 days to transit a zodiac sign and goes retrograde 3 or 4 times per year. This planet's infamous retrograde brings about communication mishaps, travel delays, and texts from exes. Venus, named after the enchanting Roman goddess, Venus is the vibrant planet that represents beauty, love, and abundance. Indulgent Venus is happiest when luxuriating. Fine wines, extended baths, and aromatic moisturizers align with the Venusian spirit. This planet's highbrow tastes reflect our interest in art and culture, while its romantic sensibilities reveal our idealized perception of love. Both earth sign Taurus and air sign Libra are ruled by Venus, each representing a different side of Venus's expression. Sensual Taurus is physical, while flirtatious Libra is cerebral. It takes approximately 4 to 5 weeks to transit a zodiac sign and goes retrograde every 18 months. During Venus retrograde, try to avoid making major changes to your appearance, such as getting a tattoo or plastic surgery. Mars, the red planet, is known as the warrior of the zodiac. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars symbolizes action, determination, and aggression. Its impassioned spirit often manifests when we're racing to meet a deadline, running to catch a flight, or competing for a selective position. Mars is the fire under our ass, providing the adrenaline-charged boost of energy that fuels movement. It also reflects our physical passion and lust. This planet governs Aries, the impulsive fire sign known for its high-octane vivacity. Mars takes approximately 6 to 7 weeks to transit a zodiac sign and goes retrograde every 2 years. When it goes retrograde, we may have trouble standing up for ourselves or experience a lack of motivation in the bedroom. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter A, or Zeus, in Greek mythology A, is recognized for its colossal presence. Lucky planet Jupiter symbolizes fortune, philosophy, abundance, and spirituality. This generous planet governs expansion, encouraging us to widen our scope and broaden our horizons through philosophy, spirituality, and education. It governs Sagittarius, the adventurous fire sign known for its thrill-seeking disposition. Jupiter takes approximately 12 to 13 months to transit a zodiac sign and goes retrograde each year for around 120 days. Its retrograde is often a time of philosophical growth. Uranus. Uranus is unusual, as Science Museum reports. It's the first planet discovered by a telescope, the only celestial body named after a Greek deity, and is tilted so far on its axis that it essentially orbits the Sun on its side. Fittingly, Uranus symbolizes technology, rebellion, and innovation. This revolutionary planet hates the rules and is always eager to facilitate groundbreaking, dynamic change. Uranus can have surprising effects. After all, the planet loves shock value. It governs Aquarius, the free-thinking air sign recognized for its eccentricity and nonconformity. Uranus takes approximately 7 years to transit each sign and goes retrograde each year for around 150 days. During the planet's retrograde, we are asked to leave the past behind and continue onward with life. Neptune. Neptune's vivid azure color perfectly complements its astrological significance. Named after the Roman god of the sea, this planet governs the magical, mysterious vastness of the spiritual unknown. When a thick fog rolls across the ocean, it's difficult to discern the separation between the water and the sky. Similarly, Neptune's power exists at the intersection of fantasy and reality. On a good day, Neptunian energy is extremely creative and powerfully psychic. On a bad day, however, it can become delusional and escapist. When Neptune's influence is felt, explore your imagination, but remember to throw down an anchor. You never want to get lost at sea. This planet governs Pisces, the intuitive water sign recognized for its incredible imagination and psychic powers. The planet takes approximately 14 years to transit each sign and goes retrograde each year for around 150 days. During Neptune retrograde, secrets are revealed, so don't try to get away with duplicitous behavior. Saturn, the ringed gas giant, is associated with time, regulations, and restrictions. On a good day, Saturn symbolizes hard work, professional achievements, and steadfast resilience. On a bad day, however, it can be harsh and unemotional, forcing us to learn through tough love and difficult challenges. Though this planet has an odd way of showing its affection, Saturn does have our best interest in mind. It simply wants us to play by the rules. Saturn governs regimented Capricorn, the enterprising Earth sign known for its tireless ambition, and takes approximately 2.5 years to transit each sign. It goes retrograde each year for around 140 days. During Saturn retrograde, life may feel more restrictive, and we must work harder to launch projects. Pluto. Though this icy celestial body didn't measure up to the astronomical definition of a planet, by astrological standards, Pluto is still a really big deal. It symbolizes power, transformation, destruction, and regeneration. Named after the Roman god of the underworld, Hades, in Greek mythology, Pluto's power is rooted in darkness. This beguiling planet seamlessly slithers into complex infrastructures, quietly transforming systems from the inside. Pluto reminds us that in order for us to manifest change, we must release the past. It is associated with Scorpio, the elusive water sign defined by its mysterious disposition. Pluto takes approximately 14 to 30 years to transit each sign and goes retrograde each year for around 185 days. When Pluto goes retrograde, we are asked to let go of what's no longer serving us so that we can transform into a better version of ourselves. If you liked this video, and you want to know more about planets and natal charts, then you should check out my video How Do the Planets Help Us Interpret Birth Charts? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.